This is about the ongoing controversy around Mr. Dayasiri Jayasekara, Dayasiri Padma Kumara Jayasekara of Sri, he's the batik, actually the batik and handloom and local apparel minister. Actually, the main problem is that Dayasiri Jayasekara's when we look at his, the background, he had been like a student from a rural school, and ultimately from Mayurapad College, he got entry to the Colombo University, and then finally he became a LLB graduate from the University of Colombo. So probably I think the University of Colombo education had ruined his mindset, even though he was originally from originally his primary school was Hettipola Primary School, and then he entered Harishchandra College in Nigambo, and later entered Mayurapada Central College in Narambala for A levels, and thereafter he excelled in sports like athletics and cricket. And then he entered the Colombo University law faculty and obtained the degree in Bachelor of Laws. And at the University of Colombo, I think his education got spoiled because the law college, the University of Colombo, the law faculty, the education is mainly not Sri Lankan legal studies. It's actually the background once you get at the from the Colombo University in any type of education is more towards colonial related education, not authentic Sri Lankan education. Maybe that made him think in two different ways, because at the Colombo University he was a model, a singer, and a television actor. He later became, and then also he was actively participated in Raga and at the Colombo University, and then also he was later, when he joined the earlier the captain of the law faculty of University of Colombo cricket team. And actually, when we look at him, he had joined the law college later, because in Sri Lanka the Bachelor of Law degree, LLB degree, the based on the British education system, because LLB refers to Bachelor of Law, similar to the MBBS, which refers to the Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. So this is a British education method, whereas in when it comes to education in medicine and law, the American education system is different from the British education system, because our university system is based on British education system, and that's why the first degree, the bachelor's degree in medicine, is termed as MBBS, which means Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. Those letters are wrote in a different way to describe MBBS, but in British, that is in British education system, as we get in Sri Lankan education system. But in American education system, it's totally different, because when it comes to medical education, they first have a normal BSc science degree, where all high school college graduates have to complete the BSc basic degree, where they are given an overall education in all aspects, like arts, history, mathematics, every field, and thereafter only they can join the MD degree, the medical degree, and which is actually a PhD level degree in the American education system. And their doctors are MDs, so they are more PhD doctors, and whereas our doctors are bachelor level MBBS doctors. So similarly in the law education, when you look at the British education system, which Mr. Dayasiri Jayasekara followed at the Faculty of Law, University of Colombo, the degree is LLB, which is a Bachelor of Law degree at bachelor's level, whereas in the American education system, which is different from our education system based on British education, the Bachelor of Law, there's no program like that, but there is a JD degree. JD, degree, Juris Doctorate degree, similar to the medical MD degree, which is a medicine doctorate degree. Because in America, the doctors and law, legal professions have to obtain a PhD level degree to to carry out their professional duty. They cannot do a bachelor's degree and become a doctor or a lawyer. So in that case, in U.S. education, American education system, the JD, the jurist, doctor degree is a PhD level degree, which is the basic qualification for a for attorney in USA. Or even first they have to do a normal bachelor's degree with all multidisciplinary education in American history, languages, arts, maths, all these subjects, and thereafter only they focus on at the PhD level the law. So the difference between the British education system and the American education system is that American education at the bachelor's level to all students, whether you are engineering, medicine, or legal, accountancy, any university education in the state or federal system in USA, provides a overall bachelor's level education first. That means they become multidisciplinary. Even if it is someone who wants to become a lawyer subsequently by obtaining the PhD level law doctorate degree, first they have to follow geography, American history, languages, international languages, mathematics, like a overall education. So this is the difference. So now Sri Lankan Minister Mr. Dayasiri Jayasekara is a Bachelor of Law according to the our system is because based on British system. So but in it's a bachelor's level degree, whereas American lawyers are more Juris Doctorate, which means a PhD level lawyers in America. So I think Mr. Dayasiri Jayasekara has got into a very short-cut path in life where he tried to emerge through a short way to the prominence. So these aspects need to be evaluated. I'll explain that in my next video.